right. So when this will right, when the maximum compression will take place, no, so when both are going with the same speed on this, clear. So therefore initially we are giving some momentum here, no, initial momentum is given. What is the initial momentum now? Therefore 3 into therefore 30, this initially is not moving, no, 2 into 0, therefore 90 kg meters per second. So this is your initial momentum now. Final momentum what will happen now when both are going with the same speed now, right. Final momentum what will happen now? Therefore m1 plus m2 into common velocity. How much now? 3 plus 2 into v, that means 5v. So 5v is equals to 90, that implies v is equals to 90 by 5. How much it will be now? Therefore 18 meters per second. Clear? So now we don't want this velocity, we want maximum compression here now, right. We want to calculate maximum compression now. Here you have to use law of conservation of energy. What is the law of conservation of energy? So initially how much energy is given now? It is having initially, that is having kinetic energy, therefore half into mass of this one, no, that is nothing but 3 into 30 square. This is initially this much energy is there. So this final energy what is happening now? Finally this both are, they are moving, that is how much now? Both are having kinetic energy, that is 3 plus 2 into v square, plus also it is having some compression of this one, 1 by 2 k x square. Clear? So simple. Therefore now if we are able to write this one, no, therefore almost the problem is over. So therefore 1 by 2 cut it, no, therefore cancel it, no, 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 get cancelled, no. So therefore 3 into therefore 900. So therefore here it will be equal to 5 into velocity square, no, therefore 18 square plus k x square. Now therefore okay. So now therefore here 9 3s are 27. So 5 into, so you can rewrite it as 324 plus k x square. So 324 into 5, okay. So now right, therefore here 2700. So 324, therefore it will be 4 2s are 5 4s are 22. So 10 12 1 15 16 16 20 plus k x square. So taken here, no, 2700 minus 1620, it will be equal to k x square, right. So how much it will be now? Therefore here 80 700, so 17,080, it will be your answer, k x square. X is equals to root of 1080 by k, so will be your answer. So therefore here there is a one very good learning is there, that is if there is connected with a spring, no, so they will be having maximum compression when both the objects are having the same speed. Clear? Then you can apply law of conservation of energy, then you can calculate the maximum compression in the spring. Two learning things, we are providing with one speed so that it will move with some common speed. At that time only maximum compression will take place now. This is one point. Then again you have to apply law of conservation of energy, then you can able to solve whatever the problems here. This is one of the greatest learning in